is a transmission control protocol segment structure. It is TCP segment structure. The TCP segment consists of header fields and a data field. The data field contains a chunk of application data. The MSS limits the maximum size of a segment's data field. When TCP sends a large file, it typically breaks the file into chunks of size MSS. Figure shows the structure of the TCP segment. This figure. The header contains the following fields: source and destination port number, source and destination port numbers, which are used for multiplexing and demultiplexing data from or to upper layer applications. TCP header also includes checksum field, the 32-bit sequence number field, and the 32-bit acknowledgement number field. Sequence number field and acknowledgement number field. These are used by the TCP sender and receiver in implementing a reliable data transfer service. Next, the sequence number for a segment is the byte stream number of the first byte in the segment. Okay. Next, the 16-bit receive window field. Receive window field. And it is used for flow control mechanism. The 4-bit header length field. Specifies the length of the TCP header in 32-bit words. The TCP header can be of variable length due to the TCP options field. Next, the optional and variable length options field. It is used when a sender and receiver negotiate the maximum segment size, that is MSS, or as a window scaling factor for use in high-speed networks. The flag field. It contains total 6 bits. Acknowledgement bit, ACK. It is used to indicate that the value carried in the acknowledgement field is valid. That is, the segment contains an acknowledgement for a segment that has been successfully received. RST, SYN, and FIN. RST, SYN, and FIN. These bits are used for connection setup and teardown. PSH. Setting the PSH bit indicates that the receiver should pass the data to the upper layer immediately. URG bit. It is used to indicate that there is data in this segment that the sending side upper layer entity has marked as urgent. The location of the last byte of this urgent data is indicated by the 16-bit urgent data pointer field. Urgent data pointer field. TCP must inform the receiving side upper layer entity when urgent data exists and pass it to a pointer to the end of the urgent data. Thank you.